Good morning and welcome to another vlog. Today I have a fairly heavy content creatory type of day, so I figured I would take you with me for those of you who find that interesting. I had a pretty quiet morning because I didn't want to wake up my boyfriend. I got up before him, but I am now in town and I am ready to get started with making some content. I am meeting a friend for breakfast and I'd like to just get in a little bit early and try to shoot some content where I can so it doesn't take up the entire day. Today is going to be a little bit of it taking the entire day because I am trying to squeeze in a lot, but normally I like to just get somewhere half an hour early so I can shoot my outfit and I have some content. Today I just want to shoot some new outfits. I really like to just create a little bit of a bank of sort of clips of my outfits. It is really helpful to have it when I am making my regular YouTube videos because I can see from the back end in the analytics in YouTube, you can see quite a lot of information actually, and I can see that when I have sort of outdoor footage of my outfits, that helps retention, and obviously it just makes the videos better and a little bit more entertaining and engaging. So that is what I'm doing today. So I'm just going to try to shoot as much as I can before I am having breakfast. I have an hour-ish to get as much done as possible, which sounds like a lot to just take some pictures and a little bit of footage, but you end up filming so much and you just use a tiny little bit of it. And the same with the photos, you take so many photos and then use 2 or 3, but we're having fun, so that is all good. It is 6:45, so it's still pretty quiet. I like to try to get in when I'm doing outfit photos. I like to do it when there are as few people as possible. Obviously I don't want to disturb people just because I'm taking my silly little Instagram outfit videos. So enough of rambling, I am just going to get all of the things I need. I do have a couple of different tools that I use. Obviously what I am filming on right now is the DJI Pocket. I also have their sort of little phone gimbal, so I have those. I have a couple of tripods. I've also not done lipstick today. This is actually a new one from Armani. This is in the shade 109. It's such a beautiful shade. It has that perfect My Lips But Better shade. Love it. This texture spray is the best thing ever. It's the Color Wow style on steroids. Alright, I am ready to just head out, so let's get out of the car and shoot some content because I can't ramble here for too long. Do not have time for that. Okay, I have filmed for a good 10 minutes. Really don't feel like I'm getting the shots, so I am just going to move on, see if there's anything usable. Hopefully there is. I'm going to try to do one more outfit, so I'm going to go back to the car, very glamorously change in the car and do another outfit. Let's rush. There are quite a few people. I tried to do a few different locations. Usually I go here because I tend to get good backgrounds, but I think the sun is just a little bit too high, meaning I'm a little bit too late. I should have been up earlier, so it didn't really work with the light, but hopefully it's fine. Okay, let's go do another outfit. Okay, that is the second outfit done. I've just changed locations slightly. The sun moved, so I found somewhere that is full in the shade. It's just a little bit easier. You don't have to struggle with the light so much. Yeah, just going quickly because I have to hurry. I spent way too long on the first one trying to get that right when it didn't really quite work. But I'm just going to head to breakfast now. I'm going to shoot a couple shots on my phone first just to take some pictures, and that will be it. So let's head off. only 9:30, so I had a lovely breakfast, half healthy, half unhealthy, which is how it should be. And I got 2 outfits done, sort of 3, because I popped a jumper on for the skirt here. I did 2 variations. I like to just sometimes do simple swaps like that, like a layering piece, just to get the most out of the least amount of time. Time to have my driving glasses on. The battery is of course running out on this little DJI Pocket, because it just does. You can see all the mess in the car. I am going to sort all of that out. I am going to stop by the post office because I have a couple of parcels that I thought we could unbox as well. I have some new in pieces and I definitely need your opinion on them because I'm a little bit unsure. So we're going to go over that. I am just gonna head to the post office, then home, and then we will have a check-in then. All right, let me show you the mess that is my floor at the moment. I am going to tidy this up before we get to the unboxing. I feel like this is a very big part of being a content creator. It's just tidying up because you make a mess again and again and again. So these are all the things I brought with me this morning. I usually bring unnecessarily many things, and this is the rail that I am going to prep because I will be filming later today. So just give me a minute to tidy that up, and then we have some boxes and I'm really excited. So it's a bit of a mix of accessories and beauty products, so we shall see. Okay, here we have the little haul for today. All right, I am super excited about, of course, it's a handbag, so let's do that first. I'm feeling like this maybe isn't the wisest choice, so I really need your help here on whether this is a good idea or not. But the handbag we have is from Coach, of course, because I can't stop buying their bags. And it is this Raffia Brooklyn bag. I keep going on about the Brooklyn 28 handbag, which is definitely by far one of my best purchases in the last year, and I love it so much. So when I saw this version, I thought it was so cute, and I figured how could I not love it in raffia? And I really want some summery handbags. This material is obviously perfect, but I'm going to be completely honest, it doesn't feel the most luxurious. Well, for being raffia, it kind of does, because making raffia feel anything but kind of inexpensive and a little bit cheap is very, very difficult. What do we think? What do we think? Is this insane? Should I just get like a really inexpensive raffia handbag? It's probably going to be a really comfortable handbag and really practical, like my other Brooklyn handbag, because it just sits so nicely on the shoulder. It's a really good size, fits lots of things. Is it going to last very long? Who knows? I definitely think it's going to last not as long as my leather version. So I'm not fully decided on this yet. I'd love to hear your input on it. Do we keep this? Do we not? Let me know what you think, and let's move on to some of the other things here. I have a box from Zara, and these shoes have been absolutely everywhere. They are so adorable, and I just really wanted to try them. I went into the store to check, but of course they didn't have them, even though the website said they did. That sounded really bitter, I'm sorry. So let's look at the shoes first, because I am the most excited about them. How cute are these? They are in mesh, and then they have embroidery on them, and the embroidery also has some pearl details. I mean, look at that. It is so, so beautiful. Such a statement shoe. I can completely understand why these sold out. And I'm a little bit worried because they look incredibly flat in the toe box. And I have like a ski jump toe where it just needs a lot of room, and I'm normally between a 36 and a 37. I ordered these in a 36 because it was the only thing that was available in stock. So let's have a look. I'll see if they fit, but let me just look at both of them. Okay, please fit me. Please fit me. Oh, I feel like Cinderella's evil stepsister. Oh, it fits! It fits! Is it comfortable though? Oh, it's so close. And I mean, these shoes are not going to be shoes that I wear for comfort anyways. They're going to be for, oh my goodness, it's so cute. What do I do? Okay, I need to think about that. But they are gorgeous, and I mean, wow, what a statement shoe, and really not too expensive either. I do have one other pair of shoes, but let me do one more Zara item. And that is a fragrance, because I have been told by sources reliable and unreliable and everything in between that these are supposed to be dupes for higher end perfumes. And I mean, hello, yes, I'd like to save that amount of money. And this is the Golden Decade, which is nearly an identical dupe for the YSL. Oof, why is the name escaping me now? The one that everyone has. It's amazing. I love it. I've had testers. I love it so much. It's a little bit expensive, so when I saw that this was supposed to be the exact same thing, then I figured I might as well try. So let's see if it is as good as everyone says. Someone on TikTok told me that they were chased down the street from people who were sure this was the YSL. So I have high hopes for this. Well, it's definitely very, very, very close. Just one tiny little step removed. I don't know if I feel like I can smell the difference just because I know it's not the same. I don't really know, if I'm being completely honest. It doesn't immediately relieve me of the desire of buying the YSL one, but it really wasn't expensive at all. So I will use it for sure. So money not wasted, I suppose. Very interesting. Have you tried any of these Zara perfumes? I have one more pair of shoes, and I have already opened these, tried these on. I'm just not entirely sure on what I think of them. So I'd love to hear. This is more me just showing you and asking you. Are we still wearing the Adidas Samba? I found these and I thought they were really, really cute. So they have a crochet material, which I thought was really unique and just so perfect for summer. I love the lighter sole as well, and this is a little bit more, it's sort of ecru-y. These are obviously not entirely white, but I think they are just such a gorgeous shoe for summer. I just want them a little bit neutral and still kind of laid back and casual, so I think this one is really beautiful for that actually. I think I'm talking myself into keeping these, and they actually fit me as well. I have worked in a shoe store many years ago, so I am very familiar with my own sizing and Adidas sizing, which tends to run a little bit small. Lastly, I have a couple of beauty products. I have been updating my makeup and skincare routine lately. This is, if I remember correctly, one makeup product and one brush. So I've obviously already applied my makeup, so I'm not going to use this. This is the Hourglass foundation brush. It has been incredibly popular, and I have been wanting new brushes in general because mine are really old, so they're really shedding a lot. So I need to update that, and I figured this was a good one to start with. Oh, that is very, very soft. I will be giving this a wash and then trying it for my makeup in the morning. I really like the shape of that. I feel like that is going to be good for blush and bronzer as well. Now, this product I want to just quickly try. It's an Armani Eye Tint, and again, another one that has been so popular. And I got this in one of the most popular shades as well, because of course I did. If I'm going to try something, I want to try what has worked the best for most people. Oh, that is a beautiful shade. Not sure you can see any of this, but it's quite subtle. That blends out like absolutely nothing. It's so good. Oh my goodness. That is perfect. That is absolute perfection. Wow, well that was a raging success. Exactly. It was even better than I thought, really. I expected it to be good, but I love that. That is so good. Why am I putting it back in the package? Anyways, moving swiftly on with my day, I'm going to tidy up this mess. Again, I told you, a lot of my day is just tidying up the mess I make. And then I am going to put some clothes on the rail behind me here because I will be filming a little video. So I will be getting all the items. I've already planned the outfits I will have in the video. So I'm just grabbing those from my wardrobe onto the rail, prepping everything and setting up the light and the camera and all of it, getting ready, and then I will do a little bit of filming. So the day is far from over yet. Okay, I have just finished filming. My brain is a little bit frazzled at this point. It always gets that way when I film. Trying to talk to a camera for that long just makes me a little bit silly, I think. Anyways, it's time for a little bit of a lunch, late lunch, early pre-dinner thing. So I am just gonna go to the kitchen and make some cauliflower nuggets and enjoy that in the sunshine out on the balcony. So let's go. Okay, food is down and I am ready to be productive again. My hair is really full and I definitely think it's the length. It's getting to that really horrible annoying length where it's too long. Like, this is not a goblet anymore, but it's also not so long that I can do something really fun with it. Like, it just is that really horribly annoying length and I can't decide for the life of me what to do. I'm sorry if you can hear that noise. I keep going back and forth on whether I should grow it out, and clearly it's been like 5.5 months since I cut it, so eternal struggle. I can't make up my mind, but for now the length is staying. I would ideally like to get some length just to play around, have some layers and have fun with curling it and volume and all of these things, but then I also have a feeling that once I reach that length I'm just going to want to cut it all off. Anyways, enough with the hair ramblings. I am going to do some admin stuff. I'm going to edit some of the stuff that I shot this morning, and then I have some emails to send, some more filming to plan. It all needs to happen today. I try to, when I have these days where I try to squeeze in a lot of content creation in one day, I really try to get as much done as possible. And then I am going to shoot some more content tomorrow morning, so I am going to prep all of the outfits and the accessories, charge my cameras and all of that for tomorrow. A little bit left, but I figured that it's really nice out, it's sunny, so I have this sun hat. Well, that didn't work. Something like that. So I'm just gonna get my phone and edit some stuff, schedule it, get as much done as possible before I go inside and do the laptop-y type of things. Just want to enjoy the sun as much as I can when it's here. I complain all winter, so when it's sunny I really need to be outside. I feel like I should have filmed more today, but it is what it is. So I completely forgot to film an outro to this video, but I ended up pretty much just spending the rest of the evening on my laptop. Very editing and admin heavy afternoon. So I just took off my makeup and sat in my robe and just had a relaxing, chilling evening, really. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this or just vlogs in general. I had a really fun time filming it, so thank you very much for watching. As always, have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you very shortly in the next video.